Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ann Design Craft channel. Today, I will show you how to make a crochet earpods pouch bag. There are two patterns I will show in this video, Cinnamoroll and Tuxedo Sam. If you like this video, please subscribe and give a like and share. With you big support, I will have motivate to create more videos for you. Here are the tools that need in this video: 4-ply cotton yarn and 3mm crochet hook, a needle, and a scissor. The base pattern is same. Here we start from Tuxedo Sam. Make a knot in a magic ring and do a single crochet. Then make another single crochet, like me in the first single crochet. This is one of the way I make first double crochet in every round, instead of do 2 chains. Continue to make normal double crochet, so total 12 double crochet in the magic ring. When finish a round, make a slip stitch on the first stitch and make a chain on the following round. In round 1, do double crochet, increase in every stitches. Total 24 stitches. In round 2, do 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet increase. Repeat this pattern 12 times, total 36 stitches. In round 3, do 1 double crochet increase and 2 double crochet. Repeat this pattern 12 times, total 48 stitches. In round 4, do 3 half double crochet and 1 half double crochet increase. Repeat this pattern 1 more times. Then do 3 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat 4 times. After that, we make the strand for hanging. In the last increase, we do 50 chains in between the increase. Make a slip stitch in between the previous increase. After it, do slip stitch in every chain. Then do single crochets connect back to the piece. Here, the string is done. Then 3 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat 2 times. In round 5, we start to make the thickness for the pouch. Then do single crochet in back loop only. Total 40 stitches. In round 6, after a chain, turn the piece. Single crochet in every stitches till end. Total 40 stitches. For the front piece with 12 chain strand, do 1 more round until round 7. Here the pattern of the tummy. Do 6 double crochet in magic ring without connect back to first stitch. Then turn the piece and continue with round 1. Follow the written pattern. Here do the bow tie. Start with 6 chains. In round 1, make 3 chains. Then do 1 triple crochet, one double crochet, two half double crochet, one double crochet, one triple crochet, and 3 chains, then slip stitch at the first chain. Cut the leftover yarn. Then move the yarn to the center. Use the leftover yarn to roll the middle part. Here are the pattern of the hat. Remember, in round 4, crochet in front loop only, and change color in round 6. In the part of Beak, just follow the written pattern. In the part of Eye, use black yarn. Do 3 single crochet in a magic ring. Now we can combine 2 pieces together. Here, all part of the Tuxedo Sam. Let's join all part together. Lastly, I feel like add 1 pair hands for it will look more cute. Just follow the written pattern and sew it on both sides. Here are the tools for Do the Cinnamoroll. 4-ply cotton yarn, 3mm crochet hook, a needle, a scissor, The base head's pattern is same with the Tuxedo Sam. Here I show you the pattern of the ears. Just follow the written pattern. The pattern of blush and eye is same. Do 3 single crochet in a magic ring. Use the blue yarn to sew the mouth shape on round 2. The Cinnamoroll pouch and Tuxedo Sam pouch is done. Thumbs up and share if you like it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.